Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the camera app and choosing the mode that supports circle search, typically photo or lens. Once done, make sure the Smart Lens or Circle Selection feature is enabled in camera settings. Then frame the object and tap and hold on the screen. Draw a circle with your finger to select the area. This selects the region for recognition. Why? Because focusing the selection improves accuracy and reduces background noise, so results are faster and more relevant. Once you have a selection, refine the circle by dragging its handle so only the subject remains. You want minimal background. Then tap Analyze or the lens icon to begin processing. The phone sends that cropped image to the recognition engine, which identifies objects, extracts text, or finds products. Make sure to review suggested tags and swipe through results. This helps you choose the best match and understand why a result was returned, which improves future searches and saves time. You finish by selecting the best search result and taking the action you need. Open a link, copy extracted text, or share the item. If recognition fails, retake the photo with better lighting or draw a tighter circle. Small adjustments often fix accuracy issues. If lens does not load, make sure camera has storage and internet permissions, then reset camera settings or restart the phone. This troubleshooting step resolves most problems and gets circle search working reliably again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.